Shaun G Academy. Hey, welcome back to this channel, and if it's your first time, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to discuss choosing a trading app. You know, there are many trading applications out there, such as Robinhood, M1 Finance, Stash, eTrade, Fidelity, Webull, TD Ameritrade, Schwab, and there are lots of others. But which one is best for you? What best suit your trading style and your trading strategy? This video will help you decide which app is best for you. We'll go through the determining factors in deciding which app to choose. Some of you might be considering signing up for some of these applications and testing them out before you decide which one to use. But most of these applications, before you can use all of the features, you need to enter a lot of personal information. Personal information such as social security number, date of birth, address, household income. Information that you might not want to enter in so many different applications unless absolutely necessary. For you might be concerned about your data being breached, identity theft, so you don't want to enter your information in so many different places. This video will help you avoid such risk and help you determine which trading app is best for you. So let's look at the key determining factors to consider when choosing a trading application. First, you want to know, is it free or is there a fee? Is my investment insured? Is this application user friendly? What features and services is offered by this application? We'll ask these questions of the 8 applications being reviewed in this video. Now let's look at the first determining factor. Is the trading application free? For the 8 applications being reviewed in this video, we know that 7 of them are free. Robinhood, M1 Finance, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Schwab, eTrade, and Webull are all free. There's absolutely no fee for trading. So if you're looking for a commission-free trading application, your choice would be from one of these 7. However, if you don't mind paying a fee, then Stash would be an option for you. Stash charges a monthly fee based upon the level of account you choose. There's a $1 charge for the beginner's level account, a $3 charge for the growth level account, and a $9 charge for the Stash Plus level account. And of course, the higher the monthly fee, the more services and features will be available to you. Now the second determining factor, is your investment insured? All legal brokerage firms have insurance for your investment account. And all of the brokerage firms covered in this video are legal brokerage firms. Hence, your investment accounts will be protected. It will be protected by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, the SIPC. Now, how much would be protected? Now, the SIPC allows for up to $500,000 of your investment to be protected, and that includes $250,000 for cash. So if you have an investment account and not all of the money in that account is used to purchase stocks, the remaining cash up to $250,000 are covered, along with the value of the stocks for a total of up to $500,000. Now, what exactly is the SICP, the Securities Investor Protection Corporation? It's the equivalent of the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, that is used for banking and checking accounts. See, the FIDC provides coverage for the traditional bank accounts, while the SIPC provides coverage for investment accounts, such as trading accounts used for buying and selling stocks. So, as for the 8 firms reviewed in this video, all of them are insured under the SIPC. Robinhood, M1 Finance, Stash, eTrade, Fidelity, Webull, TD Ameritrade, and Schwab are all insured. Now the next determining factor, user friendliness. Now, no one wants to use an app that is not user friendly. Everyone wants to use an app that is user friendly. And what makes an app user friendly? The first obvious answer is it's easy to use. And that means using the app is easy to understand. The app has all the required features and the features are easily accessible. And also the response time. Whenever you press a button or you try to execute a task, the response must be within a reasonable time to be considered user-friendly. The next thing that makes an app user-friendly is it must be visually pleasing on the eyes. And that means the on-screen graphics, the size of the buttons, the size of the text, the brightness of the screen, and the sharpness of the screen all should be of excellent quality for an application to be considered user-friendly. And based upon our test of the 8 applications being reviewed here in this video, here are the top 3 in terms of user-friendliness. At number 3, it's Webull with 3.5 out of 5 stars. Then at number 2, it's M1 Finance with 4 out of 5 stars. Then taking the number 1 slot, it's Robinhood with 4.5 out of 5 stars. And at the time of making this video, it will be hard for you to find an application that is more user-friendly than Robinhood. Hands down, Robinhood is probably the most user-friendly application available on the market right now. As for services offered, some people might prefer to do their trading and their banking in one brokerage application, while others might prefer to do their trading separately. So, if trading and banking in one brokerage application is what you prefer, then Fidelity, Stash, eTrade, M1 Finance, TD Ameritrade, Schwab, those will be the ones to choose from. But if you want an application to do trading only, then Robinhood and Webull would be your choices. For at the time of the making of this video, Robinhood and Webull doesn't offer any banking services. And for the features offered, it all depends on what do you want to do. Do you want to be more of an investor and hold the stocks for a long term? Or do you want to be more of a trader or hold the stocks on a short-term basis and do more trading over a short period of time? So, if you're looking to build wealth over an extended period of time by buying and holding stocks for a long period of time, say months, years, and decades, then you should consider yourself as an investor. And if you're going to be buying and selling stocks within a short period of time for quick profits, then you should consider yourself a trader. So, if you consider yourself an investor, here are the key features you'll need to have in a brokerage application. You'll definitely need charting, such as candlestick chart and line charts. And you'll definitely need some sort of news, such as company news, stock market news. And if you consider yourself a trader, then in addition to the news, you would also need advanced charts with technical indicators. Technical indicators such as the moving averages, the MA, the MACD, moving average conversion divergence, relative strength indicator, the RSI, Fibonacci, stochastic, trend lines, etc. So the brokerage application you choose as a trader would need to be more technically advanced than if you were just an investor. Now that brings us to decision making time. Which trading application is best for me, given my trading strategy and preferences? And since there is no one-size-fits-all brokerage application, we broke it down into 3 categories. Do you want to be an investor? Or do you want to be a trader? Do you want to include banking? In the investors category, the clear winner is Robinhood, which gets 4.5 out of 5 stars and is the best option for beginners. And if you consider yourself to be more of a trader than an investor, then Webull is the best choice for you. With 4 out of 5 stars, Webull has all the necessary technical analysis tools to facilitate traders. And if you want to include banking, M1 Finance with 4 out of 5 stars would be a solid choice. I hope this helps you decide which brokerage application is best for you. And if this video was helpful to you, please click the like button below. And if you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe. You could also hit the notification button to learn when new contents are posted. Shaun G Academy.